I think I was a shower head in some other life before this. Would explain why my whole chest leaves every time somebody quits. Head so big, heart so hollow, standing there while tears still follow. Hot water falling through the ceiling, everybody breaking down so quietly. Maybe I was a shower head. This one, my heart is full of holes. People come and people go, but nobody really stays too close. Sad songs playing through the walls, steaming shadows down the hall. Maybe that's why rainy nights always hit me way too hard. Somebody crying on the floor, somebody drunk at 2 a.m. Somebody saying I'm alright, I'm falling apart again. Water running through the dark, like it understands the scars. Maybe that's why every storm feels personal inside my heart. Head so big, so empty. Kind of funny, honestly. Maybe I was a shower